Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's have the most awaited last part of this entrepreneurship development series of important questions and answers on MCQ pattern. Let's have the first question. Entrepreneurship development programs are required to help. The options are A. Existing entrepreneurs, B. First generation entrepreneurs, C. Future generation entrepreneurs, and D. Drone entrepreneurs. These are the types of entrepreneurs, and the correct answer is B. First generation entrepreneurs. Next one is the purpose of soft loan scheme is to encourage units to undertake. The options are A. Modernization of plant and machinery, B. Replacement of plant and machinery, C. Renovation of plant and machinery, and D. All of the above. The purpose of soft loan scheme is to encourage units to undertake. Which one out of these following? The correct answer is D. All of the above. The next question is small scale industries SSIs, also known as MSMEs, are defined and categorized by the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act. A. 2006, B. 2007, C. 2008, and D. 2009. The correct answer is A. 2006. The next question is an enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 1 crore rupees and turnover does not exceed 5 crore rupees. So the options are A. Micro enterprise, B. Small enterprise, C. Medium enterprise, and D. None of the above. Here I repeat the question: where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 1 crore rupees and turnover does not exceed 5 crore rupees, that is called as A. Micro enterprise. The next one is an enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 10 crore rupees and turnover does not exceed 50 crore rupees. So that enterprise is called as B. Small enterprise as per the latest guideline of MSME. So the next one is investment in plant and machinery or equipment excluding land and building with respect to manufacturing sector in medium industry should be here. The sector, manufacturing sector in medium industry, that should be options are A. Up to 25 crore, B. Up to 50 crores, and C. Up to 100 crores, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Up to 50 crores. Next question is why should an entrepreneur do a feasibility study for starting a new venture? A. To identify possible sources of funds, B. To see if there are possible barriers to success, and C. To estimate the expected sales, and D. To explore potential customers. Here I repeat the question: why should an entrepreneur do a feasibility study? Feasibility study is an important step before starting a new venture. So the correct answer is B. To see if there are possible barriers to success. And the next question is family business always interested to hand over the change of his business to which one out of these four options? A. Indian administration officers, means IAS officers, and B. professional managers, C. next generation, and D. none of the above. Though, so the correct answer is C. next generation. They generally interested to hand over their businesses to the next generation. The next question is why are small businesses important to a country's economy? The options are A. They give an outlet for entrepreneurs, B. They can provide specialist support to larger companies, C. They can be innovators of new products, and D. all of the above. So the correct answer is D. all of the above. Here the next question is SWOT analysis, SWOT. SWOT analysis is a fill in the blank tool. A. Conceptual tool, B. Modern tool, C. Scientific tool, and D. Traditional tool. So the correct answer is SWOT analysis is a conceptual tool. Next one is Gazelles are the firms with A. High growth rate, B. Moderate growth rate, and C. Zero growth rate, and D. Low growth rate. Here points to be remembered, Gazelles are the firms with A. High growth rate. Next question is angels usually provide what type of financing? A. Debt, B. Equity, C. Stock sales, and D. None of the given options, and the right answer is B. Equity. Next one is following are the types of foreign direct investment except. Which one is the exception? A. Joint venture, B. Management contract, C. Minority interest, and D. Merger. The correct answer is B. Management contracts. Next one is competitive model was coined by which author? A. Michael E. Porter. The correct answer is Michael E. Porter. Next question is which of the following is a method of selling goods to another country by taking care of transactions? Which of the following is a method of selling goods to another country by taking care of transactions? The options are A. Indirect exporting, B. Direct exporting, C. Importing, and D. Management contract. So the correct answer is B. Direct exporting. Next one is if an entrepreneur has an internal locus of control, the locus of control, internal locus of control and external locus of control, these two terms we have already studied in the subject organization behavior. What does this mean? This means that he or she A. has a high need for achievement, B. feels comfortable in an unstructured situation, C. believes that success or failure depends on his or her own actions, and D. believes fate is a powerful force. So the correct answer is C, that he or she believes that success or failure depends on his or her own actions. Next one is which one is not the barriers of entrepreneurship? Not the barriers of entrepreneurship. A. Lack of technical skills, B. Political instability, C. Technical knowledge, and D. Time pressure and distractions. The correct answer is C. Technical knowledge is not the barrier of entrepreneurship. Next one is from the following which one is factor affecting entrepreneurial growth? A. Social, B. Economic, C. Psychological, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Next one is which one of the following is the process of entrepreneur developing new products that over time make current products obsolete? A. New business model, B. Anatomization, and C. Creative destruction, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Creative destruction. Here the different type of question, you must be prepared for any type of questions to confront. So the new pattern of question match the following. List 1 stage of project and list 2 forms of venture capital. You have to simply match the list 1 with the list 2. A. Development of an idea, B. Implementation stage, C. Fledging stage, and D. Establishment stage. And in list 2 forms of venture capital, first one seed capital, second startup finance, C. Additional finance, and fourth establishment finance. A, B, C, D. You have to give the right answer, and the right answer is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. You have to match with 1, 2, 3, 4. Development of an idea with seed capital, implementation stage with startup finance, fledging stage with additional finance, and establishment stage will match with establishment finance. So the next question is internal environment includes A. Competitors, B. Customers, C. Raw material suppliers, and D. All of the above. Internal environment includes D. All of the above. Next one is again the same pattern, match the following. List 1 theories of entrepreneurship. A. Process theory, B. Entrepreneurial disposition theory, C. Economic theory, and D. Cultural theory. And in the list 2 elements, first employment, B. Demand and supply direction, and 3 development, and 4th dynamic. You have to match the least one items with the least two items, and the correct answer is B. ABCD match with 3, 4, 2, 1. The next question is, which one of the following is important for international business to avoid trade barriers? A. Protectionist attitude, B. Entrepreneurial partnering, C. Free trade areas, and D. None of the given options. I repeat the question, which one of the following is important for international business to avoid trade barriers? And the right answer is C. Free trade areas. Next one is the same. List the matching. Match the following. List 1 methods of creativity and list 2 features. Under list 1, A. brainstorming, B. general group processing, C. synectics method, and D. creative decision making. And under list 2 features, first point is creativity of ideas, B. backstop creativity process, and third one discussion about innovation, and fourth one is ranking of ideas. So you have to guess the right answer, and the right answer is D. ABCD with 1, 4, 2, 3. And last question is over. So thank you so much to watching the third part of entrepreneurship development. So please subscribe my channel and keep watching, and my best wishes to all of you for the exams.